Hello, I'm in a 2015 Hyundai Tucson, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first you'll start the vehicle, and then wait just a moment for everything to load. In the meantime, you want to make sure your device is powered on and has a blue symbol like this highlighted. And then you can also hold that down and it'll bring you to a menu like this for all your Bluetooth options. Every vehicle is a little different. But once that's all on, this should be booted. And hopefully you have a button here that says phone. If not, hopefully something under media might say phone. But we're under phone. Now it's trying to connect. And then you can add new. Or if your phone's already connected, it'll just connect right away. At which point, yeah, you can confirm your pairing passkeys to add the new phones. Which, really that's it. This is already now connected. And if you have a max of 5 phones or more in this vehicle, it's kind of similar in a lot of models, but you'll usually have to delete one before you can add a new one. But let's say we need to delete one. I hit it just too slow, but it'll just walk you through here. We'll try it again just to show you. So there, we're pairing. Yes, we'll delete. Let's delete Allie's phone. Okay, that's it. So hers is deleted. Now there's room for another phone. And then should you be unfortunate and not have a phone button here and nothing under media that shows like a Bluetooth option or something like that, or something under whatever buttons here, you want to check see if you have voice commands as well, which this car does. Usually you can find them around the steering wheel, and you can prompt those to ask stuff about Bluetooth, add phone, pair connection, things like that. See if it'll prompt you for Bluetooth. If that doesn't exist, then there's a high chance that your particular model does not have Bluetooth at all, which in that case you can install a new aftermarket device here. Those are kind of squares, a little bit pricey, but they're getting more affordable. But then you'd have like Android Audio, Bluetooth, navigation, those sorts of things if you choose. You could also add like a backup camera. Otherwise, you could just use the standard aux port to connect, something like that. Another aftermarket device to sync with like a radio signal potentially. And then otherwise, just from what I showed you earlier, you can, sometimes it takes a few tries to get it to work. You just have to keep trying. You might have to refresh your phone or the car. You might have to be in park. Some models don't let you connect while you're driving for a new connection. But otherwise, I hope that was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.